Hey guys, this is Mark. Don't build it. I'll explain it later, but it's a mistake to use graphite because it's not suitable for, or it's too fragile for use in this application. It don't stick to anything. It's just, and it cracks easily. This is the third one I've made. I think I can, or I will release a new version of the design, but yeah. Anyways, another problem with this plan is that I'm using this 3D printing resin that is supposed to withstand 220 degrees Celsius, and it does resist 220 degrees, but I can't figure out how to make it work, cause like I'm using POM for injection molding, and POM have a very narrow melting point, like over if I'm not wrong, 170 degrees it will start decomposing, and under 160 something degrees it's not melting. So I have to preheat the mold so I can use it in this application, but I am still finding a better method for preheating the mold and putting it inside the injection molding press. The third problem is that I'm using a cheap PID controller that have a lot of variation in temperature, and I haven't figured out how to the heating element and the bottom part is now cooled down, by the way, have a quite poor thermal conductivity. I've put in RTV silicone to increase the heat transfer, but it doesn't work that way. So I'm still trying to improve on this design. Yeah. So this is the short update for this injection molding press project, and the project that I'm using this press for. The hydraulic power unit will have some delay because I can't make POM parts for the project. So by the way, some sneak peek on the electronic side. I have the thing set up, and a Raspberry Pi, and the LP2040 here. So the electronic part is mostly done, and I will release a video later, maybe next next week or something. And I have a Pi 0 for the control, and yeah, things hard. That's it for the update. This is Mark from Studio M.E.A.T. See you next episode.